The Team Torque Customer Portal allows you to stay up to date on the status of your torque tools. It can be customized on a per-user basis to show the specific information that is needed at the location, region, or corporate level. This video on getting started will instruct you on how to use the portal to its full potential. The dashboard is a quick source to view tools that are being serviced at Team Torque, past due for service, or coming due for service. The My Tools section is where you can access all current and historic tool information. You can filter and sort data based on various criteria. Due type will allow you to sort tools by past due or coming due. If you ever need to refer to condemned tool records, simply select the Result Type drop-down and select All Condemned Tools. The Data Type drop-down lets you sort by the last service date or next service date. The Start Date and End Date fields allow you to filter tool information down even further. Sorting can be performed by selecting any of the headers. You can even export data if needed. In the Service History section, you will see a complete service history of the tool, including functional checks that your company has performed. Tools that have not been serviced by Team Torque will not show up in the portal. To add new tools, select Add New from the top. It is critical that you enter the correct serial number, model number, and select the appropriate location during this process. If you have an original manufacturer's certificate of calibration, you can upload it at this time. Clients that verify their torque wrenches using a torque tester can use the Functional Check feature, which will create a record and save the data for your future audit and quality use. You can access this feature by selecting the blue Functional Checks button. Functional check parameters have been set up according to your company's process. To start, enter the serial number of the torque tester that is being used. Then, enter the name of the individual performing the functional check. Begin your company's functional check process and enter the output data received. If a reading falls outside of the tolerance parameters, the field will turn red. Enter any notes. When finished, click Complete at the top of the page, and then click Save. You will then be sent back to the My Tools page. If a tool fails a functional check, you will be directed to send the tool to Team Torque for service. In the portal, you can easily search for previous invoices by selecting the Invoices tab on the left. Search, filter, or sort to find the invoice that is needed. Once you have found the appropriate invoice, select the invoice icon. Users can also easily search for previous certificates by selecting the Certificates tab on the left. Search, filter, or sort to find the certificate that is needed. Once you have found the appropriate certificate, select the certificate icon. When it is time to send in tools because they are coming due for service, past due for service, or if they need repair, select the Send in My Tools tab on the left. Next, select the tools that are being sent in. When finished, click the Send in Selected Tools button. You will then be prompted to generate a shipping form. Enter any notes or requests in the Notes section. Enter your method of payment. Enter any comments regarding tool performance or issues. This information will help Team Torque identify and address any concerns that you have with the tool. When finished, select the Print button at the top. You can now print the form and include it with your tool shipment. My Profile allows you to view your username and change your password. Always follow your company's security requirements when changing passwords. The Portal FAQ is full of helpful information on how to navigate and use the portal. Credit card information can be added and managed by selecting the Payment tab. Simply click Add and then enter all applicable data. Once complete, Save the data by clicking the Add button. Finally, many layout settings and display options can be changed by selecting the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This is where you can customize your view with options like font size, theme colors, theme modes, and many more. If you have questions while using the portal, contact our customer service team at 888-682-8675 or customer service@teamtorque.com.